Hello students, welcome to the session of Heron's formula. In early chapter we discussed different shapes such as squares, rectangles, triangles and quadrilaterals. You have also calculated perimeters and the area of some of figures like rectangle, square, etc. Now we are going to discuss about triangle. Actually, what is triangle? Triangle is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. It is actually a three-sided figure. It has three sides, three angles, three vertices. Based on sides and based on angles, we are having three triangles. Based on sides means, suppose all the three sides are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. Any two sides of a triangle are equal means it is isosceles triangle. All the three sides are different means it is a scalene triangle. Now we are going to discuss in Heron's formula regarding scalene triangle only. Actually, in this chapter, you have studied the following points. Area of a triangle with its sides as A, B and C is calculated by using Heron's formula. The formula is actually area of triangle is equal to square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Area of a quadrilateral whose sides and one diagonal are given can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles and using the Heron's formula. Actually, Heron has derived a famous formula for the area of a triangle in terms of three sides. The formula given by Heron about the area of a triangle is also known as Heron's formula. It is stated as this one, square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Actually, A, B and C are the sides of the triangle and S is equal to semi-perimeter, that is half the perimeter of the triangle. That is actually A plus B plus C divided by 2. Exercise 12.1. First problem. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Here, one traffic signal board is indicating actually school ahead. It is in shape of equilateral triangle with side A. We have to calculate the area of the signal board only using Heron's formula. What is given? Perimeter of a equilateral triangle is given, that is 180 cm. Finally, we have to calculate the area of the signal board. First write the given. That is perimeter of a triangle is 180 cm. Here we are discussing equilateral triangle. No, so all the three sides are equal. We just take the side values actually A. So mention it. Given that the shape of a traffic signal board is an equilateral triangle with side A. Okay, this is given. So we have to mention that perimeter of a signal board. How can we calculate? Perimeter of a signal board, that is given, but how can we mention that? We know the sum of all the sides is actually perimeter. No, so we have to mention take one side of a triangle is A means perimeter A plus A plus A. So 180 is equal to 3A. Finally, we have to use the A value because we don't know the side values. No, so we don't apply the value first. So how can we calculate the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter of signal board. That is actually S value. Here S value is important. So S is equal to A plus A divided by 2. A plus A means that is 3A. So the S value is 3A divided by 2. What is actually Heron's formula? Using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Actually, first the perimeter value is given, that is 180. We take all the three side values are A only. So 3A equal to 180. So S is equal to, how can we take? A plus A by 2 means that is 3A by 2. So apply the value here. Area of signal board is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We know s value is equal to 3a by 2. So apply the s value in this formula. So is equal to square root of, how can we apply the values? 3a by 2 into 3a by 2 minus a. Next one, 3a by 2 minus again b value also a. 3a by 2 minus c value also a. So square root of 3a by 2 into, you just use cross multiplication here. So 2 into a, 2a. 3a minus 2a, 1a by 2. So square root of 3a by 2 into, actually 3a minus 2a, 1a by 2. So apply the value a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. So what is the value actually? 3a, actually a square into a square. So take the value from the square root. So the value is actually root 3 a square divided by 4. So how can we write this? Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, this is actual value. Now we have to apply the a value. Perimeter of a triangle that is actually 3a is equal to 180 centimeter. So what is our a value? That is 60 centimeter. So a value is 60 centimeter. Now we apply the a value here. So area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. No. So root 3 by 4 into 60 square. Again apply the value, root 3 by 4 into 3600. So cancel the value. So what is the final answer actually? 900 root 3 centimeter square. That's all. Second problem. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 120 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did he pay? Actually, in the question, one triangular side wall is actually given. The sides of the walls are mentioned 122, 22 and 120. Actually, one company used this wall for advertisement. What is the extra details given? The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. That is also given. Actually, a company hired one of its walls for 3 months. Finally, we have to calculate how much rent did he pay. So we know first area, that is area first we have to calculate. Then only we have to find the second value, how much rent did he pay. First calculate the area. What is given? Given sides of triangular walls. What is that mention? Actually 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. First we calculate the semi-perimeter. In Heron's formula, S value is important. So semi-perimeter of given triangle, that is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is our A value? 122, B value 22 and C value 120 divided by 2. So we have to calculate the value, add the values, that is 264 divided by 2. That is actually 132. S value is 132 meter. So we calculate the S value. Next we have to calculate the area of a wall using Heron's formula. Area of triangular walls is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now apply the value. Actually what is our S value? That is 132. So 132 into S minus A. S value is 132 minus, apply the A value, that is 122 into 132 minus B value is actually 22 into 132 minus C value is 120. Now 132 into, what is the 132 minus 122 value? That is 10 into 132 minus 22 is 110 into 132 minus 120 is 12. Now split the values. How can we write 132? That is actually 11 into 12. So 11 into 12 into 10. Split the value 110. 10 into 11 into 12. Now how can we write this value? Square root of 10 square into 11 square into 12 square. So all the values are coming out of the square root. So take the value 10 into 11 into 12. Multiply the values, we get the answer 1320 meters square. This is actually area of triangular walls only. Next we have to calculate the balance values now. What is given in the question? Earning from the advertisements. On the triangular walls is equal to rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. This is given. Okay. So rent for 1 meter square per year is equal to rupees 5,000. So we have to calculate 1 meter square per month. So rent for 1 meter square per month is equal to rupees 5,000 divided by 12. Finally we have to calculate for 3 months now. So how can we take the value? Rent for 1320 meters square for 3 months. That is our final question now. So we have to take the value rupees 5,000 by 12 into 1320 into 3. We just cancel these values, we get the final answer. How can we cancel? 12 ones are 12 11s are. Extra 1 0 we have to add. So multiply the values, we get the final answer is 16,50,000. That's all. Third problem, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Very simple problem only. We have to calculate the area only. Okay. So first write the given. Sides of a triangle are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. This is given now. We calculate the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A value 15, B value 11 and C value 6. So apply the values, 15 plus 11 plus 6 divided by 2. So add the values, that is 32 by 2. The answer is 16 meter. So we get the S value, that is 16 meter. Next we calculate the area of triangle painted in color using Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So apply the value, 16 into 16 minus 15 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6. Apply the A, B and C value. Now 16 into 16 minus 15, 1. 16 minus 11, 5. 16 minus 6, 10. This is our value. Square root of 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now we have to split the value, and how can we write the 16 value? Actually 16 is a perfect square, no. So we have to take the value from the square root 4. Split the value 10, 5 into 2. So 5 into 5, 5 square. So we have to take the value 5 also into root 2. So 4 into 5, 20 root 2 meter square. This is the area of a triangle painted in color. That's all. Next problem, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 cm and 10 cm and the perimeter is 42 cm. Here two sides of a triangle are given and the perimeter also given. We have to calculate the area of a triangle. The two sides of a triangle are 18 and 10. We don't know the third side of a triangle. So we just assume the third side of a triangle is actually x. Let the third side of a triangle be x centimeter. So we take the value, a value is actually 18 and the b value is 10. A value is 18 centimeter and b value is 10 centimeter. Next one, perimeter of a triangle is equal to, how can we write actually? 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. What is the 2s value? That is perimeter is 42, no? So 42 is equal to 18 plus 10 plus x. So change the value to LHS. So 42 minus 18 minus 10 is equal to x. So what is our x value? That is 14 centimeter. X is equal to 14 centimeter. So easily we have to calculate the semi-perimeter, because perimeter is 42 means semi-perimeter is 21 centimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to 42 by 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. So S value is equal to 21 centimeter. Easily we have to calculate the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is the s value? 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. Calculate the value. Actually 21 into 21 minus 18 3, 21 minus 10 11, 21 minus 14 7. Again we have to split the value. 21 3 into 7, 3 into 11 into 7. 3 into 3 3 square, 7 into 7 7 square. So easily we have to take the value 3 and 7 from the square root. So 7 3 is the 21 root 11 centimeter square. This is the area of a triangle. Next problem, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Here the sides of a triangle are given in ratio type only. So we just assume the values are 12x, 17x and 25x. Then easily we have to calculate the area. Given sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. So we just assume let the common ratio between its sides be x. So how can we take the a value? A value is 12x, b value is 17x and c value is 25x. Perimeter of a triangle given, no, we just use the value. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to 540 centimeter. So apply the value. Perimeter means sum of the sides of a triangle, no. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 centimeter. So add the value, we get 54x is equal to 540 centimeter. So what is the x value? Actually 10 centimeter. So x is equal to 10 means easily we have to calculate a value, b value and c value. So what is our a value? That is 12x, no. So 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter. B value is actually 17x. So 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeter. And C value is actually 25x is equal to 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. First we calculate the semi perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So apply the value. A value is 120, B value 170, C value 250 by 2. Add the values. What is the value actually? 0, 12, 14, 4, balance 1, 3, 4, 540 by 2. So the answer is actually 270 centimeter. Using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So apply the value. S value is actually 270. 270 into 270 minus, what is the A value? 120. Into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. So how can we write the value? 270 into 270 minus 120, 150 into 100 into 20. So split the value and get the answer, final answer, that is 9000 centimeters square. That's all.